Is this real or is this AI? Nowadays, it feels like we ask this all the time. Let's get to the bottom of it. In Gemini app, I can just upload this and ask, is this AI generated? And there we have it. Back in 2023, Google DeepMind released SynthID, a hidden digital watermark applied across AI-generated images, videos, audio, and text. We've already watermarked over 100 billion images and videos and over 60,000 years of audio content. It's not just content from Google AI tools. We've also partnered with companies like OpenAI, NVIDIA, and Apple to apply SynthID watermarks to their content too. We're also adding C2PA content credentials to a growing number of our generative AI tools. If you don't know what content credentials are, think of them as a way to tell you the story of content. Like if an image or video was taken with a camera, edited with AI, or entirely AI generated. Together, C2PA and SynthID give a fuller picture of, well, a picture. Try SynthID and C2PA verification for yourself. We hope this helps you understand a little bit more about the content you're consuming.